Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Today we discuss about important June month current affairs for OAVS exam. This is the part 1 current affair of June month and each part contain 50 important questions. So don't time waste. Let's start the question. What is the revised turnover limit of medium enterprises as per approval of Union Cabinet recently? Your right answer is 250 crore. Option 4 is your correct answer. Minister of Electronics and Information Technology Ravi Shankar Prasad launched a trilogy of scheme, namely Electronics Manufacturing Scheme 2.0 recently. What is the outlay of the scheme? Your right answer is 50,000 crore. Option 2 is your correct answer. Which is the first Indian state to declare internet as fundamental right? Your right answer is Kerala. Option 4 is your correct answer. Which is the first Indian state to declare internet as fundamental right? Your right answer is Kerala. Option 4 is your correct answer. Which ministry, along with Human Resource Development Ministry, jointly launched student internship program named TULIP? Your right answer is Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. Option 4 is your correct answer. Which port trust was renamed as Syama Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust as approved by Union Cabinet? Your right answer is Kolkata Port Trust. Option 3 is your correct answer. What is the unemployment rate of India in accordance with annual periodic labor force survey of National Statistical Office between July 2018 to June 2019? Your right answer is 5.8%. Option 2 is your correct answer. Name the country which proposed the name Nisarga to cyclone which hit part of India's west coast, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Your right answer is Bangladesh. Option 2 is your correct answer. Which India state has highest number of tiger population in country as per National Tiger Conservation Authority NTCA? Your right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Option 2 is your correct answer. Which state or union territory has launched India's first online waste management platform recently? Your right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Option 5 is your correct answer. Garrison was declared as the summer capital of which state or union territory? Your right answer is Uttarakhand. Option 1 is your correct answer. According to Poonam Avlokan survey, the population of Asiatic lion at the Gir Sanctuary region to 29% approximately. In 5 years, the Gir National Park is located in which state? Your right answer is Gujarat. Option 1 is your correct answer. Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs has launched tour and customs at Bangalore and Chennai recently. Who is the chairman of CBIC? Your right answer is A. Ajit Kumar. Option 1 is your correct answer. Which state or union territory government has renamed Environment Ministry as Environment and Climate Change Ministry in June 2020? Your right answer is Maharashtra. Option 1 is your correct answer. Which is the first country in the world that runs double stack container train in OHE electrified region? Your right answer is India. Option 3 is your correct answer. Find the ministry which has launched Yukti 2.0 platform? Your right answer is Ministry of Human Resource Development. Option 5 is your correct answer. Name the portal which was launched by Prime Minister Modi to help the smaller MSME by resolving their grievances and the complaint received on the portal. Your right answer is Champions. Option 3 is your correct answer. Which state has adopted flat factory model to ensure the availability of industrial land? Your right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Option 3 is your correct answer. What is the percent increase in formal employment in India in 2019 to 20 compared to 2018 to 19 as per EPFO payroll data? Your right answer is 28.6%. Option 4 is your correct answer. Which state has observed Mask Day on June 18, 2020? Your right answer is Karnataka. Option 1 is your correct answer. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the two-stage electronic auction of 41 coal blocks for commercial mining recently. The e-auction was initiated by Coal Ministry in association with which organization? Your right answer is Federation of India Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Option 1 is your correct answer. As per India's first report on climate crisis titled Assessment of Climate Change over the Indian region, prepared with the support of Earth Science Ministry, what is the increase in average temperature of India during the period of 1901 to 2018 in degree Celsius? Your right answer is 0.7. Option 1 is your correct answer. Which ministry has signed MOU with SIDBI to engage SIDBI as implementation agency for PM Snabha Nidhi? Your right answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Option 4 is your correct answer. Raja Prabha is the festival celebrated in which Indian state or union territory? Odisha. Option 2 is your correct answer. Which IIT has partnered with United Nations World Food Programme India to offer research based solution to storage supply of food grains? Your right answer is IIT Delhi. Option 3 is your correct answer. What is the percent increase in TB patient in 2019 when compared to 2018 as per India TB report 2020 released by Central TB Division of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? Your right answer is 14%. Option 4 is your correct answer. In accordance with Cabinet approval, the Urban and Multi-State Cooperative Bank will function under the supervision of which organization? Your right answer is Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Option 3 is your correct answer. Tillary forest area which was declared as conservative reserve is located in which state? Your right answer is Maharashtra. Option 4 is your correct answer. Union Cabinet has approved creation of which body to provide a level playing field for private companies to use Indian space infrastructure? Your right answer is IN-SPACe. Option 4 is your correct answer. Government has notified the new floating rate saving bonds 2020 taxable scheme which effect from July 1st, 2020. Which organization will issue these bonds? Your right answer is Reserve Bank of India. Option 2 is your correct answer. Which ministry is celebrating 2-week long Sankalp Parva initiative of plantation of trees? Your right answer is Ministry of Culture. Option 1 is your correct answer. Name the state which developed India's first lichen park with over 150 lichen species. Your right answer is Uttarakhand. Option 2 is your correct answer. COVID-19 Technology Access Pool CTAP was launched by WHO for equal access to life-saving technology around the world. How many countries supported CTAP? Your right answer is 35. Option 5 is your correct answer. India along with 12 other countries lead the verified initiative launched by the UN to fight misinformation about COVID-19. What is the theme of verified? Your right answer is science, solidarity and solution. Option 4 is your correct answer. The Serum Institute of India has signed agreement with UNICEF and Gavi to supply pneumococcal conjugate vaccine PCV to low income country. Where is SII located? Your right answer is Pune. Option 1 is your correct answer. India has joined an initiative namely Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence recently has a founding member. GPI will be supported by Secretariat to be hosted by which organization? Your right answer is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD. Option 4 is your correct answer. What will be the objective of India during its tenure in UNSC 2021 to 22? Your right answer is norms. Option 2 is your correct answer. How many children will be pushed to poverty and food insecurity in South Asian region in next 6 months according to UNICEF report? Your right answer is 360 million. Option 1 is your correct answer. World first yoga university outside India, Vivekananda Yoga University, was located in which city? Your right answer is Los Angeles. Option 1 is your correct answer. Name the special micro credit facility scheme launched by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs for providing affordable loan to street vendor. Your right answer is PM Snabnidhi. Option 4 is your correct answer. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched 50,000 crore Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan to boost employment and livelihood for migrant workers recently. Which is the nodal ministry for the implementation of the scheme? Your right answer is Rural Development Ministry. Option 1 is your correct answer. Who has attended as Indian delegation in Russia Victory Day parade which commemorates the 75th anniversary of the victory of the Soviet people in Second World War? Your right answer is Rajnath Singh. Option 5 is your correct answer. Which private sector bank has introduced the first of its kind app to open current accounts? Your right answer is Instant Bank. Option 5 is your correct answer. RBI has created payments infrastructure Development Fund. FIDF of Earth dash to boost digitalization. Your right answer is 500 crore. Option 3 is your correct answer. Name the public sector bank which has created separate vertical for financial inclusion and micro market recently. Your right answer is State Bank of India. Option 5 is your correct answer. Who headed the panel formed by ACBI to suggest measures to strengthen enforcement of SEBI? Your right answer is Anil Dev. Option 2 is your correct answer. The housing finance company housing loan must account for at least 50% of HFCS assessed of which at least dash percent should be individual housing loan. The HFC which does not follow the criterion will be created as NBFC investment and credit companies. Your right answer is 75. Option 5 is your correct answer. Which company has partnered with US gold currency INC and Blockfields to introduce world first monetary gold backed US gold digital currency in India and few other country? Your right answer is IBMC Financial Professional Group. Option 3 is your correct answer. What will be India's per capita income during fiscal year 20 to 21 as per SBI report? Your right answer is 1.43 lakh. Option 3 is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class. Question number 50. Which organization has set up Swavalamban Crisis Responsive Fund to facilitate free onboarding of MSME on trades platform? Your right answer is Small Industries Development Bank of India. Option 2 is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.